So that's throughout the years.
Hey, what's up? My name is Stonehands, and today we are going to talk about physical bullying. Physical bullying is when someone uses their body or things to hurt another person. Examples include physical contact, intimidation, or damaging another person's things. Physical bullying is a form of repeated behavior, and it can happen at school or at home. Let's take a look at some examples to see what physical bullying looks like. Pay close attention.
Look at him. Hey, how was the bus this morning?
Oh, it was the usual. They keep picking on me. It's so annoying. I don't know what to do about it.
Did you speak up? You should probably talk to them and tell them you don't like it when they pick on you.
You ready for gym class today, you dork? Let's do a helmet check.
Physical bullying can happen anytime, before, during, and after school. It can also happen any place. Places such as the bus, playground, hallways, lunchrooms, and even during class. Let's take a look at this next example. If you or someone you know is being picked on repeatedly, it's important to first try talking about it, telling them you don't like that. If talking to them directly doesn't work, then talk to either your teacher, counselor, or your principal. You can also talk to a parent or guardian as well. It's important to use words and kindness to solve problems. Remember, it's important to keep your hands to yourself and use your big brain. Be smart about it.
Hey, how did the rest of your day go?
After lunch, I went to the counselor, and she gave me good advice.
So I walked up to those kids and told them I didn't like being picked on.
The best part about it was when they said sorry and asked to be friends.
Notice how the main character of the story used his words to solve the problem.
He went to the school counselor and then used his voice to tell those kids he didn't like being treated poorly.
Being a hero doesn't mean picking on people. Being a hero means being kind, including others, and choosing to help. You too can be a hero. Just believe in yourself and believe in others.
The city doesn't like it when you break stuff.